It's a mid-tower chassis with tempered glass on the front as well as on the side of the computer case. And it features a sleek aluminum body to go with it. It's designed to optimize both space and airflow as well as to showcase your hardware like a modern piece of art. So let me show you why this case is perfect for your next PC computer build. First of all, it features a dual chamber design which separates the power supply here on the left, as well as the hard drives here on the top left, from the main components such as the motherboard, CPU, and graphics card. This allows for much better cable management as well as cooling. So you can actually fit up to 2 power supplies in this case. What you can do is you can swap out the hard drive caddy here for a second power supply if you need to. These screw holes are already set in place for 2 power supplies. You can also mount up to 6 SSDs as well as 3 HDDs in this case. So this makes it so you'll never run out of storage space. And the second reason why this is a great computer case is that it has amazing water cooling support. You can mount up to 3 360mm radiators on the top, right there, the bottom, and side panels without any interference. You could also fit up to 9 120mm fans or 6 140mm fans in this case, depending on your configuration. You can place your fans right there on the side panel, on the top, on the bottom here, and you can even have an exhaust fan back here. The case does come with 4 magnetic dust filters on the bottom, top, and side panels, as you can see one right here, to keep your system nice and clean and dust free. The third reason why this computer case is great is it has a stunning aesthetic. As you can see here, you can view your components both from the side and the front. And it's got this nice aluminum metal strip here on the side, which really makes this computer case stand out. As we see here, right in the front of the computer case, we have some great connectivity. We have a USB 3.1 Type-C port for fast data transfer. We also have some additional ports for audio and USB, as well as the power button right in front. One unique thing to this case is these glass panels, how they meet up, and that's due to the patented glass mounting mechanism that secures the panels to the case. Now, depending on the colors you want to go with your computer build, this case is available in black or white colors, and you can also get a special edition with RGB lighting and a vertical GPU mount. So yeah, this Lian Li O11 Dynamic is very customizable to fit your needs.